Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Shorthand Typing Academy. Today I am going to dictate a legal passage from the newspaper at the speed of 100 words per minute. So be ready for it. Start. The Supreme Court on Friday asked the Haryana government to respond to a report that said village dwellers removed from the Aravali forest area and now sheltered at Radhaswamy Satsang Center, Faridabad, were facing woefully inadequate living conditions. Stop. A bench led by Justice sought the state government's response after senior advocate representing some of the displaced residents of the village said the statements made by the state regarding rehabilitation were incorrect. Stop. We have done an exhaustive report. Stop. We have been to the area, we have interviewed people, and we have found a shocking state of affairs. Stop. We have put it on record here. Stop. The council for the Faridabad Municipal Corporation said the rehabilitation policy had since been finalized and it would be placed on record and a copy would also be shared with the petitioners. Stop. He said the policy had been finalized after considering the suggestions given by their council. Stop. Asking the state and the corporation to file their responses on the application. The bench posted it for hearing next month. Stop. The Cooperations Council told the bench that they had already demolished around 10 farmhouses and other unauthorized structures on the forest land in the area. Stop. The top court had on June 7 ordered the Haryana government and the Faridabad Municipal Corporation to remove all encroachments consisting of around 10,000 residential constructions in the Aravali forest area near the village, saying land grabbers cannot take refuge in rule of law and talk of fairness. Stop. A person referred to a report filed earlier by the Forest Department of Haryana before the National Green Tribunal and said a total of 123 properties were located on forest land. Stop. There are two ways of doing it. Stop. We start investigating on all factual matters right now or allow them to complete the exercise, give compliance certificate, and only thereafter go into the aspect which you are raising, the bench said, adding they are prioritizing the action. Stop. The bench said it would look into all the aspects after the compliance report was filed. Stop. Para. The Delhi High Court on Friday said it will take up in October the appeals of Facebook and WhatsApp challenging its single judge order dismissing their pleas against a probe ordered by the Competition Commissions of India into WhatsApp's new privacy policy. Stop. A bench led by Chief Justice extended the time given to file replies to the June 4 and 8 notices issued by the Competition Commission of India to WhatsApp and Facebook till October 11 when the matter will be heard. Stop. WhatsApp, which has 53 crore users in India, had on July 9 told the Delhi High Court that it would not compel users to opt for its new privacy policy till the data protection law comes into force. Stop. Maintaining that it has put its new privacy policy on hold, it had said it would not limit the functionality for users not opting for it. Stop. A single judge of the Delhi High Court had on April 22 dismissed petitions filed by Facebook and WhatsApp against an order passed by the CCI for a probe into WhatsApp's new privacy policy. Stop. Though it would have been prudent for the CCI to await the outcome of petitions in the Supreme Court and the Delhi High Court against WhatsApp's new privacy policy, but not doing so would not make the regulator's order perverse or wanting of jurisdiction. Stop. WhatsApp and Facebook had originally moved the High Court against the CCI's March 24 order directing a probe into the new privacy policy, contending that when the top court had the Delhi High Court were looking into the privacy policy, then the CCI ought not to have jumped the gun and intervened in the issue. Stop.